The girl frantically scribbled numbers on a piece of paper, refusing to stop even when the teacher tried to intervene. Before she could finish, the teacher forcibly took the paper away. The teacher collected all the students' works and sealed them inside a time capsule, burying it underground. But the girl mysteriously vanished. The teacher searched until nightfall and finally found her in a basement, her hands covered in blood as she wrote something on the wall. 50 years later, during a school anniversary celebration, the time capsule was unearthed. All the children received drawings from the past, except for one boy, who got a sheet of numbers. Confused, he was mocked by his classmates.
Boring. Everyone else got a picture.
That night, the boy's father, a genius physics professor from MIT, examined the paper. Highly sensitive to numbers, he isolated one sequence and rearranged it repeatedly. Suddenly, he realized the numbers matched the 9/11 attacks, with the first digits corresponding to the date and 2996 representing the death toll. Shocked, he copied another set of numbers, hoping to prove it was just a coincidence. But the results left him utterly stunned. Every sequence predicted a major disaster from the past 50 years. Yet, this paper had been buried for half a century. How could the girl who wrote it foresee the future? Terrified, he noticed 3 remaining numbers, foretelling a tragedy the next day that would claim 81 lives. The next morning, he obsessively watched the news, waiting for the prophecy to unfold. But by evening, there were no reports. As he left to pick up his child from school, heavy rain caused a traffic jam. Suddenly, he realized the GPS coordinates matched the final numbers on the paper. The last digits were the exact location of the impending disaster. Panicked, he rushed out of his car to ask a police officer about the congestion. But the officer turned and ran away in terror,